These are so beautiful cards. To watch this video till then so that you don't miss anything that is important to you. This video is full of ideas. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. If you don't want to miss my upcoming videos, then hit the bell button. Now let's start. Hello friend. Namaste friend. My name is Aishmin. Welcome to my beautiful world of art. Today we are going to make cards. These are so beautiful cards. First one is the butterfly card. For the first DIY card, you need some butterfly stickers, duct tape, artificial flowers of different sizes, piece sheet, 1/4 maroon color handmade sheet, glue, leaves. Firstly, we will paste the sheet inside the card. Then we will start pasting the duct tape one by one. I used 3 colors for this. All the cards are so easy, beautiful and gorgeous that you will definitely love to make it for your dear ones to give the special effect. After that, we will paste the flowers with the help of glue. I use glue gun for quick work. I love these flowers. These are so pretty. I upload one video every Friday at 5 p.m. List of the material is given in the description box. Now I will paste some leaves. It's time for butterflies. I pasted 5-6 of these. Yay! It's ready. It looks so beautiful. I'm so surprised. I love it. Second one is the star one. Now let's start. We need purple glitter foam sheet, light purple sheet, pink color square sheet, 1/4 purple pastel sheet, color glitter foam stars, permanent markers, light purple pastel sheet. Firstly, we will paste light purple sheet in the card. Now we will paste the pink square. After that, we will paste glitter sheet on the card and purple strip also. It's time for stars. We will paste accordingly. I got 3 colors and I used all of them. Now we will write thank you firstly with the pencil, then with sketch pen or markers. Then I put some smileys. Why not? Voila! Our beautiful handmade card is ready. Isn't it gorgeous? Tell me in the comment section below. alphabet stickers, blue flowers, pink pastel sheet, 1/4 yellow color pastel sheet, different color pastel sheet with U shape, pink color sheet. Now we will paste pink sheet inside the card. After that, we will paste the different color sheet to make an abstract pattern like so. Then we will paste pink sheet in the center. It's time for pasting the flowers. After that, we will paste sticker and make Happy Teacher's Day. Now we will paste some foam flowers on it to make it more beautiful. Hooray! Our beautiful handmade card is ready. This looks so pretty, I swear. Hit the like button and subscribe my channel. If you don't want to miss my upcoming videos, then hit the bell button and comments below which card you like the most in this video, and follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest and Instagram. Also, don't forget to subscribe me at Aishmin DIY, my channel. Subscribe those who have not subscribed me, subscribe now.